Hi, this is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday. And have you wondered how to really set a curl into a short head of hair? It's pretty easy to do with a curling iron or a flat iron. But if you're using a brush, this is my 256 French brush that I sell in my academy here in Atlanta where I teach French cutting. If you're using that brush, one of the ways that you can use your dryer to help cool the hair without necessarily doing the cool shot is like this. So as I'm curling the hair, I'm going to place that heat, get it right where I want it. And once I get it nice and heated up, I just turn my dryer over and I suck the heat out of the curl. By doing so, it allows me to set the curl into the hair. So again, taking my section, adding lots of heat, and as I continue that heat, once I get it heated and wrapped in the way that I want, then I remove that heat by the back of my dryer. Now, it's important to always keep your dryer clean in that process and your filter clean, but there are two ways when you're blow drying hair to allow the curl to work. One is what I call a closed curl. Those are the two curls that I just made there. And the other is called an open curl. So let me show you what that looks like. So an open curl is going to still be a lot of volume at the base. You're going to close it down, and then you're going to actually take your heat, and instead of sucking the heat out, you're going to open that curl back up and create that arc in that area of the hair that gets very flat. Just like you would when you take a curling iron and you actually pull the hair after you heat it up. So, again, we have a closed curl, remove the heat, or we have what we call an open curl where we close it down and then we walk the heat out. What that does is that stretches that hair to that perfect area every time, making sure that our meatballs don't show up. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.